So this is the another topic. So legendary linear equation. Already we started yesterday, the last class Euler-Cauchy linear equations. Okay, same like that. Here also one of the linear equation, that is legendary linear equation. If the given equation is in a specific format, then we call that is a legendary linear equation. What is that format? We'll see here, and already we saw that Euler-Cauchy. Okay. Same process number. So just here only the change is the form and remaining as usual. So we have to take the substitution for converting into linear differential equation with constant coefficients. And then after converting that, as usual procedure, you need to apply what you learned previous methods. So here it is, an equation of the form. An equation of the form. An equation of the form ax plus b or a plus bx. Ax plus b whole power n. Ax plus b whole power n d power n y by dx power n plus k1 into ax plus b whole power n minus 1 whole power n minus 1 d power n minus 1 y by dx power n minus 1 plus k2 into ax plus b whole power n minus 2 into d power n minus 2y by dx power n minus 2 plus and so on plus k and y is equal q of x. K and y is equal q of x. So whenever the given equation is in the form of this one, in that case simply we'll say that that equation is a Cauchy's, sorry, legendary linear equation. So here it is where k1, k2 and so on kn, where k1, k2 and so on kn are constants and q of x is a function of x. Q of x is a function of x. Function of x is called Legendre's linear equation. Legendre's linear equation. So this is the one. So if the given equation is in the form of ax plus b whole power n d power n y by dx power n plus k1 into ax plus b whole power n minus 1 d power n minus 1 y by dx power n minus 1 plus k2 into x plus b whole power n minus 2, this one, plus and so on, plus k and y equal to q of x, where k1, k2 and so on kn are nothing but simply will say that constants, and whatever q is nothing but which is a function of x. And if the given differential equation is in the form of this one, simply we call those equations are Legendre's linear equation. Can we convert this Legendre's linear equation into Euler-Cauchy equation just by taking which values? So here it is, if you substitute a equal to 1 and b is equal to 0, then is it converted into Euler-Cauchy equation or not? So if a equal to 1, then b equal to 0, what will get? X power n d power n y by dx power n plus k1 into x power n minus 1 d power n minus 1 y by dx power n minus 1 plus k2 into x power n minus 2 into d power n minus 2 y by dx power n minus 2 plus and so on plus kn into y equal to q of x. So this type of one simply will say that there is a Euler-Cauchy linear equation unknown. So by taking a equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. Now here it is, we are saying as this is a Legendre's linear equation. Now we need to convert this Legendre's linear equation into equation with constant coefficients. So for that we need to use the substitutions. So what we chosen the substitution for Euler, same as this will choose here. Such equations can be reduced to linear equations can be reduced to linear equations with constant coefficients. With constant coefficients. With constant coefficients. By the substitutions. By the substitution ax plus b is equal. So ax plus b is equal to e power t. So there what we choose, x is equal to e power t. So here it is, ax plus b is equal to e power t. It means a and b are constant sum. In place of a and b, they can give as 1 plus x, 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. Either it may be plus or minus for this. Ax plus b is equal to e power t. Taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Then what we'll get here it is log ax plus b is equal. Log ax plus b is equal to log e power t. That is nothing but simply we'll get log ax plus b is equal to what? T. So it means in place of t, we have to substitute log ax plus b, and here it is ax plus b is equal to e power t. Now if you apply differentiation this one with respect to x, what we'll get? Differentiating the above one with respect to x, what we'll get? Log ax plus b is nothing but simply we'll get it as 1 by ax plus b, and the derivative of ax plus b is nothing but a. So this is equal dt by dx. Dt by dx. Now we can go through that. Dy by dx is equal. Dy by dx is equal. Simply how can we write this one? Here it is having dy by dt into dt by dx. Dt by dx by chain rule. So this is equal dy by dt into. So what we got it in place of dt by dx? So dt by dx we got it as a by ax plus b. And take this one into this side. If you take this one into this side, what we'll get? Ax plus b into dy by dx is equal a into dy by dt. And if you write this one in operator form, ax plus b into dy by dx is equal. Here it is operator form is nothing but simply we can write in place of dy by dx as capital dy. Capital dy. So this is equal to a into. So here it is dy by theta dt. That is nothing but theta y. Where d is nothing but simply we'll say that d by dx, and theta is nothing but d by dt. This is. So it means we need to substitute ax plus b into dy is equal to a into theta y. So this one we need to substitute. Similarly, if you take that one ax plus b whole square, d square y is equal. This is nothing but what we'll write a square into theta minus 1 into y. Just like as Euler-Cauchy sum. There it is having x coefficient is 1. That's why we write here only theta y. And here 1 square is nothing but 1. That's why theta into theta minus 1 into y. And in the same way, if you are taking for ax plus b whole power 3 into d cube y, this is nothing but simply what we can write a cube into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2 into y, and so on. Similarly, so simply if you are taking general term, what we can write ax plus b whole power n d power n y is equal. We can write it as a power n into theta minus 1, theta minus 2, and so on. Theta minus of n minus 1 into y. So this is one. And you need to substitute all those things in the equation 1. Then the equation convert into linear differential equation with constant coefficients. After converting that as usual. So which method is applicable? That method we need to apply. Which type? Either it may be type 1, type 2, or type 3, or type 4, or type 5. Okay. So don't see any new way. So just if you understand this, then Euler-Cauchy easily you can get it. Only the difference there and here is nothing but. So there it is. We are saying as. So there it is. We said that one in a is nothing but 1 and b is 0. And here it is. We are taking that a. Okay. So a it will come. Don't forget it. This one most of the times people may forget it that. So here it is nothing but a square, and cube is nothing but a cube, and 1 is nothing but a. Okay. So this is the one. Now let us see the problems on this. Solve 1 plus x whole square into d square y by dx square plus 1 plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to sine log of 1 plus x. 2 sine of log of 1 plus x. So this is the one. They never mention that this is Euler's or Cauchy's or sorry, Legendry's. They don't mention like that. So just by seeing the given differential equation, you need to identify that. Is this in the form of Legendry's differential equation or not? So here it is, given differential equation. Given differential equation is, so we have to take as it is what they mention in the question, 1 plus x whole square d square y by dx square plus 1 plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal 2 sine of log 1 plus x. 2 sine log 1 plus x. So first you can write this one in an operator form. So if you write this one in operator form, the given equation can be written. The given equation can be written in operator form. Hello? Hello? ఎవరండి? So the given equation can be written in operator form. That is nothing but simply what we can write, 1 plus x whole square d square y by dx square is nothing but simply we can write d square y plus 1 plus x into dy plus y is equal to sine log 1 plus x. 2 sine log 1 plus x. Okay, so this is the one. And now, so we need to convert this equation into linear differential equation with constant coefficients on. So equation one is a Legendry's linear differential equation. Legendry's linear differential equation. Okay, so and is of the form. So and is of the form, simply we can write this is nothing but ax plus b whole square d square y plus ax plus b dy plus y is equal to q of x. Q of x, where what about a here? So a is equal to 1m. So just we can compare this one. X coefficient is nothing but a. So a equal to 1 and b is equal to also 1. And q of x is nothing but here it is having 2 sine of log 1 plus x. Nothing we did till now. Just we compared the given equation with a Legendry's linear equation. Now we need to take the substitution for converting into linear differential equation with constant coefficients. For that, what we have to choose? Put 1 plus x is equal to e power t. 1 plus x is equal to e power tm. And then, so then simply we can say that then t is equal. What about t? By taking log on both sides, simply we'll get t is equal to log of 1 plus x. T is equal to log of 1 plus x, so that 1 plus x into dy is equal. Simply what we can write? Here a is nothing but what? 1m. So for that simply we'll write 1 into theta y. So that is nothing but theta y. And next 1 plus x whole square d square y is equal, this is nothing but theta into theta minus 1 into y, where d is nothing but d by dx and theta is nothing but d by dt. Now you need to substitute all these things in equation 1. So if you substitute in equation 1, then what will get? 1 plus x whole square d square y is nothing but theta into theta minus 1 into y plus theta y plus y is equal. So 2 sine log 1 plus x sum. 2 sine log 1 plus x is nothing but what? T. So this is. Now, which is in the form, which one is the common in that? Y is the common one. If you take that one y as common, then theta into theta minus 1 plus theta plus 1 into y is equal 2 sine t. And then here it is, if you multiply this theta square minus theta plus theta plus 1 into y is equal to sine t. So here it is, these two cancel. And then simply what we can write? What about remaining one? T square plus theta square plus 1 into y is equal to sine t. Now, is this a linear differential equation with constant coefficients or not? So this is a linear differential equation with constant coefficients and is of the form f of theta into y is equal q of t. Q of t. Now we need to find the complementary function as well as particular integral. So first we need to find the complementary function. To find the complementary function, simply we need to write the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0. That is nothing but simply what we can write, m square plus 1 is equal to 0. So m square is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is nothing but I square. So m is equal, simply what we'll get, plus or minus im. So therefore the roots are complex conjugate. The complementary function is yc is equal c1 plus c2. Don't forget it, it is in terms of tm. So c2t. Complex conjugate. So complex conjugate is nothing but we need to write the complementary function as, here it is, alpha is 0. So for that c1 cos t plus c2 sin t. c1 plus cos t plus c2 sin t. This is complementary function. Now we need to find the particular integral. So to find particular integral here, to find particular integral, simply what we need to write, yp is equal 1 by f of theta into q of t. And then, so here it is, yp is equal 1 by f of theta and m. What we got it? Theta square plus 1. And q of t is nothing but, there we got it as 2 sine t. 2 sine t. See here, same as it is or not? Here it is. Q of t is nothing but 2 sine t and f of theta is nothing but theta square plus 1. So simply we substituted here. And now, which is coming under which type? Type 2. So type 2 is nothing but we have to substitute in place of theta square as minus 1 square. If we substitute that, what will get? 0 will get. So for that, we should not substitute directly here. So for that, simply what we can do it, we have the formula in that case. What is that? 1 by d square plus a square sin at is equal, or sin ax is equal. Simply what we need to write, minus x by 2a, here t no, so minus t by 2a cos at. So this is the formula in type 2. If it is, the denominator is equal to 0 after substituting in place of t square as minus a square. So here it is also, so if you substitute in place of theta as minus 1, so minus 1 square is nothing but minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So for that, simply we need to substitute minus t by 2 into a is nothing but, here it is having 1 cos 80. So that is nothing but cos. So is equal to, here this 2 both will cancel, and then what about remaining? Minus t cos t. This is yp. So therefore the complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Y is equal to yc plus yp. So y is equal yc is nothing but c1 cos t plus c2 sin t minus t cos t. But our solution should be in terms of xm. So for that, since 1 plus x is equal to e power t and t is equal to log 1 plus x, you can substitute here. So therefore, y is equal c1 into cos t is nothing but log 1 plus x plus c2 into sine log of 1 plus x. Why? Because t is equal to log 1 plus x. And next minus t into, so t is nothing but log of 1 plus x into cos t. So cos t is nothing but cos of log 1 plus x, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants. c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants. That's it. Only the difference between Euler constant and here it is having only the form. Okay, ax plus b form and remaining as usual. So this is a linear, Legendre's linear equation, right? Is this in the form of this one or not? So if you observe that this is in the form of ax plus b whole square, right? So which is in the form of ax plus b whole square, d square y by dx square plus ax plus b. Of course, here it is having minus, so no problem. Minus x minus b into dy by dx plus y. Of course, k into 1, k1 into y, k2 like that. So k into y. So this is equal q of x. This is a Legendre's linear equation. First, we can write this is in operator form. So if you write in operator form, what will get? 2x minus 1 whole square d square y plus 2x minus 1 into dy and next minus 2y is equal to 8x square minus 2x plus 3. Let it be taken as 1. For converting into linear differential equation with constant coefficients, we have to take the assumption as put 2x minus 1 is equal to e power t. 2x minus 1 is equal to e power tm. And next, by taking log on both sides, then we will get it as t is equal to log 2x minus 1. T is equal to log 2x minus 1. And then, so that simply what we'll get? So that 2x minus 1, or if you know that already x minus b into dy is nothing but simply what we'll write? A into theta y, right? In the same way, if you are taking the from the given problem, so 2x minus 1 dy is nothing but in place of a what we have 2m. So for that 2 theta y. Next, ax minus b whole square d square y is nothing but simply what we'll get? A square into theta minus 1 into y. In the same way, here it is having 2x minus 1 whole square d square y is equal. So a is nothing but 2. So for that 2 square theta into theta minus 1 into y. So this is nothing but 4 theta into theta minus 1 into y. Okay. So 4 into theta minus 1 into y. Now you can substitute all those things in equation 1. Then after substituting, what you get? 4 into theta minus 1 into y plus 2x minus 1 under 2 theta y minus 2y is equal. We are converting in terms of theta, sorry, tm. So for that, here it is having, if you observe that x1. So for this, simply what we can write? 2x minus 1 is equal to e power t. So 2x is equal to e power t plus 1. And then x is equal to e power t plus 1 by 2. Right? So here you can substitute in that. So e power t plus 1 by 2 whole square and next minus 2 into e power t plus 1 by 2 plus 3m. And now you can take y as common one in that. If you take that one as common, 4 theta square minus 4 theta here and plus 2 theta minus 2 into y is equal. Here it is having 8 into e power t plus 1 whole square by 4 minus, here it is 2 to both will cancel. Then minus e power t minus 1 plus 3m. And here it is having 4 twos. And now here it is simply what we'll get. If you see that 4 theta square minus 2 theta minus 2 into y is equal 2 into e power t plus 1 whole square minus e power t, and this is nothing but plus 2 plus 2. Now which is in the form of f of theta into y is equal to q of tm. Now first we need to find the complementary function and then particular integral. So to find complementary function, f of m is equal to 0. And then, so this is nothing but 4m square minus 2m minus 2 is equal to 0. If you take 2 as common and send that to right side, 2m square minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. If you find the roots, m is equal minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. So minus 4ac is nothing but here it is having 2 8 by 2a. That is nothing but 2 into 2. So m is equal to 1 plus or minus. This is nothing but 9m. So that is 3 by 4. So this is simply what we'll get. Here it is having m is equal to minus b is nothing but minus 1. So 1 plus or minus b square minus 4 acm. So minus 4 into 2 into 1 minus 1. So that is plus 8. So this is, and then m is equal. So this is simply we can write 1 plus 3, 4 by 4. And next one, 1 minus 3 is nothing but minus 2 by 4. So this is equal to 1 comma minus 1 by 2m. So the roots are real and distinct. So simply what we can write that one. So real and distinct is nothing but the complementary function is, the complementary function is yc is equal to, here it is having c1 e power t plus c2 e power minus t by 2. Okay, so this is yc. Now we need to find yp. So yp is equal to 1 by f of theta and m of 4 theta square minus 2 theta minus 2 into, so here it is having 2 into e power t plus 1 whole square minus e power t plus 2m. Okay, now we need to find the particular integral for this. So yp is equal, here it is having 1 by 4 theta square minus 2 theta minus 2 into, first one at circum 2 into 1 plus e power t whole square, right? 2 into, here it is what we got it, 1 plus e power t or e power t plus 1 whole square, and then minus e power t plus 2. Now you can simplify this one, 1 by 4 theta square minus 2 theta plus 2 by expanding this one, 2 into 1 plus s b square and m e power 2t plus 2 e power t minus e power t plus 2. So this is equal to 1 by 4 theta square minus 2 theta minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. And then here it is having, if you multiply this, 2 plus 2 e power 2t plus 4 e power t minus e power t plus 2 So this is equal to 1 by 4 theta square minus 2 theta minus 2 into 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4, and this is as it is plus 2 e power 2t, and this is plus 4 minus 1 and 3 e power t. Now we separate this one. So if you separate this, simply what we'll get, 4 theta square minus 2 theta minus 2 into 4 plus 1 by 4 theta square minus 2 theta minus 2 into 2 e power 2t plus 1 by 4 theta square minus 2 theta minus 2 into 3 e power t, 3 e power t. Now, here it is having nothing in that, so simply we can write as e power 0t. If we substitute 0 in place of t term, what we'll get? 1 by minus 2 into 4. Nothing in that. Plus, here it is having in place of theta, we need to substitute as 4m. So if you substitute in that, what we'll get? 4 into 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 2. So which is 2 into e power 2t. Plus here it is. If you see that it becomes 0. If you substitute in place of t as theta as 1m. So 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So for that simply what we can do it? Ty. So apply derivative for this. So this is nothing but 8 theta square, 8 theta. So 8 theta minus 2 into 3 e power t. And then yp is equal, simply here it is 4 by minus 2. That is nothing but minus 2 plus 1 by. So this is, we'll get it as 4 into 4, 16. So this is 16 minus 4 minus 2. That is 1 by 10 into 2 e power 2t. Plus, if you substitute now, in place of theta as 1, 8 minus 2 into 3 e power t. So finally we got it as, here it is minus 2 plus 1 by 5 e power 2t, and then this is nothing but plus t by, so 8 minus 2 6 already 3 in the art, this is 3 t by 2 e power t, this is y e power t. So therefore the general solution or complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Y is equal to yc plus yp, but since 2x minus 1 is equal to e power t and t is equal to log of 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. Now you can substitute in that. Y is equal yc అంటే మాకు వచ్చేసరికి ఏమొచ్చింది c1 e power tm. c1 e power t is nothing but 2x minus 1 plus c2 e power minus t by 2. It means that 2x minus 1 whole power minus 1 by 2. So e power minus t by 2. So this is nothing but simply we can write e power t whole power minus 1 by 2. Okay. Next, plus minus 2 plus 1 by 5 into e power 2tm. So e power 2t is nothing but we can write it as e power t whole square. So that is 2x minus 1 whole square plus 1 by 2 into e power t is nothing but 2x minus 1 and log of 2x minus 1. This is the general solution where C1 and C2 are arbitrary constants. Okay. Any doubt in that?